Thank you for purchasing our GPS pouch. Here we will show you how to install it. First, you mark the biothane where the grommet holes are. You will see that we checked it twice to ensure that it's in the proper location. Now you remove the back cushion so that you can punch the holes that will be necessary to put the screws in. Once the holes are punched, you will grab the T-nut and the plastic washer and place it behind the biothane and line it up with the grommet that's in the GPS pouch. You will then put the screw through the GPS pouch and grommet and attach it. Once attached, you will tighten up both screws to ensure that it's properly secure. You will then reinstall the cushion back to the plastic, and you are good to go. Thanks again for buying the Douglas GPS pouch.